Hi, in this video we are going to take a look at the key features of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. The device is available in 6 variants: Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud Navy, Cloud White, Cloud Red and Cloud Orange. The phone has a triple camera setup at the back. These are the 12 megapixel primary camera, the 8 megapixel telephoto lens and the 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies and video chats, the phone comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera at the front. The phone comes with features like single take composition tool, pro mode, night mode, super slow mode and hyperlapse. The smartphone is powered by a 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G processor along with the Adreno 650 GPU. The Galaxy S20 FE 5G comes in 3 variants, two 128GB variants with 6GB and 8GB RAM respectively, and the 256GB variant with 8GB RAM. This smartphone is well suited for everyday use as well as gaming and watching videos. The Galaxy S20 FE 5G Pro has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with the resolution of 1080 by 2400. It supports a refresh rate of 120Hz. The smartphone also packs a 4500 mAh battery that supports 25-watt fast charging and 15-watt fast wireless charging. And those are some of the key features of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Thank you for watching.